don't you try these pink cookies? They're so much better than Oreos.
What? But this black cookie is so cool and mysterious.
Seriously? But pink is way more cheerful.
No, this goes with everything.
No, pink is better. Try it.
Hold on. We can do a challenge. Let's see if pink food or black food is better.
That's a great idea. Let's do it.
Then let the challenge begin.
Whoa, so what's the first round?
Oh, let's find out. 1, 2, 3, flip.
Ooh, I love strawberry Pocky. They're my favorite. That was so delicious.
Everyone knows chocolate Pocky's the best.
Stacy, hurry up. I want to try the next food.
What? Seriously? You're done with your food already? Oh, let's move on then. Ready for round 2?
Yeah.
Then flip. Oh man, I got the black cake. Oh man, I got the pink cake. Oh, actually, it smells pretty good. I think I'll try it. Here I go. Oh, it's delicious.
Oh, you're so lucky. That looks delicious.
Try yours, Amy. You might like it.
I guess.
How is it, Amy? Do you like it?
It tastes good, but I like the pink one more.
Don't worry, Amy. You might get to try pink food in the next round.
Oh yeah, let's see what it is.
1, 2, 3, flip.
Oh man, I got the black drink again. Do you want to trade, Stacy?
Oh, no way, Amy. You have to try what you get.
Fine. Wow, this is actually pretty good.
See, I told you, Amy.
Yeah, this might be my new favorite.
Oh, let me try mine now.
What's wrong, Stacy? Isn't it good?
It's good, but what's all that?
That's just the lychee fruit that they use for the drink.
I don't really like it, so let's move on to the next round. Ready to see what's next, Amy?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, Amy. Ready, set, flip. Ooh, what's this? Do you guys know? Leave a comment down below. Okay, let's open this now. It feels kind of rough. And it smells bitter. Let me try it.
How does it taste, Stacy?
It's not bad, but it tastes more like a cracker than a candy.
Oh, seriously? I hope mine is a candy.
Good luck, Amy.
Whoa, look at all the sugar around it. And it smells so sweet.
Oh, that looks so good, Amy. Can I try one?
What? No way. You have your own candy. You said black food was better.
Fine, then let's just move on to the next round.
Ooh, I hope I get pink again.
Ooh, 1, 2, 3, flip.
Is this a cookie? Why does it look so burnt?
Ooh, I know this is pink, but it looks so good.
Oh, you're right. It does look good. Do you want to trade?
Sure, your black cookie looks so interesting.
Yes. I'm so excited. Pink is my favorite color.
It doesn't smell burnt.
How is it, Stacy? Is it burnt?
No way, this is the best chocolate chip cookie ever. All done, let's move on to the next round.
Yay!
And flip.
Yes, pink marshmallows.
Whoa, Amy, slow down. Whoa, you ate those so fast.
Yeah. Why haven't you tried yours?
Oh, right. Oh, how did they get it this color? And why isn't it squishy?
Just try it, Stacy.
Okay.
Whoa, how is it, Stacy? What does it taste like?
It's so yummy. Look, it's covered in chocolate.
Whoa, chocolate? Can I have some?
No, Amy, we still have one more round left.
Oh, okay, let's see what it is.
Then let's flip. Oh man, I got the pink one.
Oh, you're so lucky.
I guess.
Just try it. The pink is so good.
Okay. It's actually pretty good.
See, I told you.
You should try yours, So what did you think, Amy? Do you like black foods too now?
Yeah, they're just as good as pink food.
What about you guys? Did you guys like our pink food versus black food video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit